Hey man, this is Randy with Performance Dodge again. I just want to explain to you guys our new 12-inch screen. It's as big as a tablet. Tell me, where on earth are you going to find another vehicle with a screen this big? It's beautiful, it's crisp, it's clear. Now let me just run through the features for you and I'll explain how everything works.
How many inches is it, Randy?
It's a 12-inch screen, man.
And it's what kind of, it's the UConnect?
It's the UConnect 4.
4 with the Navi?
Yes, it does. It has navigation right here.
Oh, wow, bro.
So look at how big this is. Just to give you a comparison, this is my hand. That screen is huge. So basically with the navigation, it's simple navigation.
You wear big gloves, Randy. You wear big gloves.
Yeah, man, you already know how that works. It's a big screen. So basically the way it works, just like any navigation, you have a search bar, type in your address, just type in Performance Dodge.
Wow. Hit
search. It'll search for you. And there it is. Address is right there. Tap that.
Oh, that's our address? 555 Nature Pike?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And there's our phone number too. Hit us up. We'll be more than happy to hook everybody up, everybody's family. We give great deals to everyone.
Wow.
So with that being said, you just pick your route. It'll take you straight on here. I'll show you how that looks.
You have reached your destination.
We're already here.
Yes, we are.
Wow, we showed up at 9 o'clock.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Show us about the media and stuff like that, Rain.
So if you want to look at the media, basically this is where we're at.
Okay.
You can connect your phone through Bluetooth,
or
if you prefer, you can actually connect your USB down here, and you actually get Android Auto or Apple CarPlay right on the screen. So you can use your own phone's music, navigation, contacts, text messaging right on this 12-inch screen. So it's a lifesaver, man. You don't have to worry about touching your phone, getting yourself in trouble, getting yourself a nasty ticket.
Yeah, it's definitely safe. These state troopers ain't playing.
Nah, man, you don't want that ticket. That ticket's no joke. So basically, you can set up all your stuff on here. Same thing with your Bluetooth, whether you want your map on here. You have your whole setup screen right here. Adjust to add your phone. Right here, you can actually pick 2 cards if you want to split the screen, whether you want navigation on the top and let's say you want your phone on the bottom. That way you have access to your music, or if you want your contacts, or even your text messages right from your phone, all on here.
Right, that's custom.
Yeah, man, make it to your style. Everyone has a choosing, everyone has a preference. Make it yours. So here, we have our controls for our heated seats, heated steering wheel, and for our backup camera. So you have 3 options for the heated seats. You have the high, which is very, very good for the super cold weather. It'll keep you nice and toasty.
Yeah, it's getting there.
You put your medium if you don't want to be too hot, but you're feeling a little chilly.
Just loosen up the lumbar.
And then the low, just in case you just want to hop in and out real quick, or you just want to leave the car with the remote start on, so it gets nice and toasty for you.
Yep, that's right. You set it and forget it, right?
Correct. Same thing with the heated steering wheels. You just turn it on, set it. By the time you get back in the vehicle, it'll be nice and toasty for you.
Sweet.
So with the backup camera, we actually have a huge backup camera. It's crisp, clear.
Look at Miss Patty.
And one thing that it's special to our vehicles, it actually has a zoom feature, which gives you a top-down view so you can actually see how close things are from you. There's no vehicle out there that has this feature and has such a crisp, clear, big screen.
Look at that Ram Night edition in the background. That Ram Night is hot too.
Shout out to our night editions.
That just got here. Okay, moving on.
So another feature that a lot of people don't know about is it comes with applications. With the UConnect apps, you have access to everything on here. Same thing as just screen buttons down here. You also have control to your travel link, which is basically in case you need any assistances or anything of the sorts.
With directions and all, right?
Correct.
And yeah, that's got the Wi-Fi hotspot with the 4G LTE too, right?
Correct. Which, once your vehicle is purchased, it becomes active. So you can activate that, and you have 4G throughout your whole entire vehicle. You can connect up to 8 devices and have no issues with no lag, none whatsoever.
You use your laptop to work if you're on the road, contracting.
Or if you got kids, just have the kids in the back watching a little bit of YouTube or Netflix.
Oh, with the tablet, that's true.
It makes long trips a lot nicer. So another feature about this is with the climate controls, you actually have a full touchscreen. So you can adjust this to however you want. You can slide the bars up and down so you can choose what your temperature range is at. You can just choose if you want it to be directed towards you, to yourself and your feet, or if you want to just be the defroster in your feet. You also can access the heated seats right from here. Just tap that button, it'll pop right up. Again, With the screen, you'll have the same features right here, but these are actual physical buttons.
Oh, I was just about to ask you, what if I'm not tech savvy?
If you ain't tech savvy, man, we got a solution for that too. Just tap the buttons or hold it down. It'll start sliding for you.
His and hers, right? His and
Correct.
hers.
For the his and hers, or for the hymns and hymns, or for the hers and hers. You never know. Everyone has a choice and a preference, man. We don't discriminate.
No, all welcome.
So, as you already know, you have your max AC right here, and you have the AC button right here, which activates on here also as a touchscreen. You have the auto, which will regulate your temperatures depending on what the temperature outside is. You have your front defroster, your rear defroster, and your fan speed. Whether you want it to be off, high, low, it's all down here. And it's also accessible through this physical button.
Now this comes with the 9-speaker with subwoofer standard, right? With the 12-inch.
Yes, it does. Why don't we give that a listen, man?
Oh yeah, let's look it up. Get that bump. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah.
Sounds crisp, clear, and really, really good.
I'm gonna have fun with that.
Other things is you also have a tune button right here, whether you want to dial into your specific station yourself, or if you just want to scroll through it, you can actually just use a physical button to scroll through all the available stations.
Nice.
Which is a nice feature to have, and we actually have a physical volume button also. So you don't have to really worry about it, along with the buttons that's actually on your steering wheel. So just to give you another little heads up with everything that's going on, we actually have the parking sensors down here, whether you want to turn them on or off. Right now they're on because the light is off, but once you push that, you just turned off the front parking sensors.
Yep, the amber. All right.
Push it again on the other side, that's for the rear.
And that's off.
That's off. So basically what that does is it'll just allow you to know how close and how far a vehicle is, or an object behind you or in front of you. That way you don't bump into it by accident, whether you're parking or you're reversing out of a parking spot.
What's that tow haul feature?
Oh, I'm glad you asked, Manny. So the tow haul feature basically is for if you're coasting up a hill and you're towing something in your back of your vehicle, it'll kick off the overdrive feature. It will not allow it to engage. What that means is that you get more towing power as you're climbing up the hill with the tow.
So
that way,
this 1500 is going to be a boss uphill, right?
Man, this thing will be a boss everywhere.
That sounds good, Rand.
So the one last thing I want to show you guys is, let's say you don't want to deal with this huge screen or anything of the sort. You actually have a button that allows you to turn off the screen. So if you just want to have a little bit of peace of mind, just tap the screen off button.
I call it
and it's all off.
The date night. When you want to have a little kissy date night, that screen's so bright, you can't be bright kissing and smooching.
Yeah, you don't want nobody all up in your business.
Nah.
Just turn off the screen real
I want to
quick
park by the
and
river
enjoy yourself.
secluded.
So once again, this is a 12-inch screen, and this is a Bighorn. It's a 2021. If you're interested in this vehicle or this beautiful screen, then message myself or message Manny. Give us a call. Our phone number will be on the screen. Man, do not hesitate. Do not miss an opportunity to get into such a beautiful
It's Rand Power
vehicle.
Days now for the month to the end of October, right? Rand Power Days.
Take advantage, man.
Take advantage.
We are paying top dollar for any vehicle we take in on trade.
Check out our event for the friends and family.
Blue Book. This will not last, man. Take advantage now.
Bang.